guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I created a full Redbubble store print on demand using just AI. It's a tool called DALL-E 2, which is actually integrated with ChatGPT. All I did was I was just thinking about which niche I'm going to choose. So I just came up with a creative idea, which was like mixing up a niche of pets or animals, like people who love animals, at the same time people who love coffee. So I mixed up coffee lovers with pet lovers, and I chosen cat lovers with coffee. So I have zero skills in editing, zero skills in doing any Photoshop or graphic design skills. So I decided to do just some editing to clean up the pictures that was generated by AI. And then I decided to upload all these designs on Redbubble so I can make some sales. But I figured out a problem, which is actually the Redbubble should be an organic print-on-demand store. What do I mean by organic store? Organic means that you get the sales from inside the store itself. You don't need to promote these designs outside of the platform. And this is really one of the advantages that Redbubble should have been this have been one before of the good advantages of Redbubble. I don't think it's now became that much organic. We have to search for alternatives, but I'll explain my full experience. I just started with that a year ago. I uploaded the designs. I'm gonna share my experience. I'm gonna continue doing that just for fun. I'm not really willing to wait for any somehow that much of sales that I'm gonna come out with from Redbubble. I think I don't really have that good experience with it, but I'm just gonna share my experience with you. I'm gonna tell you the steps. Maybe you can implement these same steps on your end in another perfect way. So I'm gonna show you here in some other videos like how I was able to create these designs, how did I get the prompts, where did I get it from, to start doing the designs and mixing them up, you know, like the mix between the cat and the coffee designs. It was just like a fun design. I didn't really want to create that perfect professional design. I'm gonna give you a quick look on my store, how many like visitors have came to my store since I started that store. I know, I actually made only 20 design. Yeah, I wasn't that lazy to create, but I started seeing, you know, not that much of like impact, not that much of, you know, traffic coming up to the store. So I decided to quit. Maybe I will change that to something else. Maybe I will swap the platform to something else. But that's how I started. So I'm gonna give you my plans, and I'm gonna share like my experience here on this channel with each and every one as a challenge to see where did I get further from when I started. So I'm gonna share everything transparently with you. And I will be sharing these designs on a lot of other platforms that exist in the print-on-demand field. So we've got Printful, we've got Redbubble, Zazzle, Teespring, Society6, all these websites, TeePublic. I never shared any of my designs on these websites. I just started to focus on Redbubble only, but I will start sharing these designs on the other platforms and see how much traffic I can get, because supposedly Redbubble should have been it should have been like an organic website that you should get the sales inside the platform, but it seems like it became too much saturated. I'm not really sure. We are in 2024. A lot of people have already started doing that years ago, who have taken the bigger portion of it since they were the starters in that field. So I'm gonna show you like what designs I created. I'm gonna show you like where did I get further from here, and I'm gonna be sharing that experience back again. I'm showing you how I created the designs. Maybe you can implement these ideas to create something more perfect for you. First, I went to the website DALL-E 2. Then after I logged in, I went to ChatGPT to get the prompts that I'm gonna use to be able to get like some designs that will be generated in the field I'm working on, which is the cats and the coffee lovers at the same time. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So it's gonna give you like multiple words, you know, like multiple prompts that you can use on DALL-E 2 to generate designs related. For example, I used one of these prompts and I was able to generate this cutie cat holding a cup, you know, filled of coffee beans. And it says here, pencil drawing of a cat holding a cup of coffee has a coffee bean on it. And that was generated in the first place by ChatGPT. I'm going to show you here a lot of designs I created. I'm actually, as we said, I'm not really that good in the graphic design. I use just to to create like random designs. And then I'm gonna do some edits on it to clean just the edges and clean everything, so we will be able to post them out on Redbubble. This one here, for example, a dog holding a cup of coffee drawn by a pencil. So I just generated all these designs. So let me show you what else I did when it comes to cleaning the designs, so we can finally upload them to Redbubble and start seeing the updates further after that. So after that, I took the design itself and uploaded it back to Photoshop. So as you can see, I'm trying just to clean the edges. I'm trying to like clean it out, make sure it looks good on the t-shirt when it's gonna get printed. So because that's why we have to clean the edges, to make sure it doesn't have like any cracky parts that might appear on the t-shirt when it gets printed out. So here the final design after we cleaned everything and made sure it looks gonna be perfect, like it's gonna be looking fine. And after that, we went up to ChatGPT. We tried to get the tags that we will be using on the design on Redbubble. So as you can see, ChatGPT did all the job, all the work for me. I got here some tags that I'm gonna use on the website itself. So I just copied these tags and pasted it on the design that I posted up on Redbubble. As you can see, all these designs I just made using the same way. ChatGPT took the prompt to Dell E2, got design from Dell E2, did it on the Photoshop, cleaned it, and then posted on the Redbubble store. I posted all these designs. We're up to 20 design or 21 design so far. And I got also the ChatGPT again to give me some of the details, that like description for each and every design. So I just copy paste from here to there. And as you can see, the description was made for the design on Redbubble. And in the end, everything is ready to be posted on Redbubble. So let's see, after I posted the design using this way, what I got further after that. I got 20 favorites on my designs. I got also 10 unique visitors. I got multiple visitors, but so far no sales yet. So that was so far what I just went over using my strategy for Redbubble. So make sure to follow, subscribe, like the video and share, and make sure to stay tuned because I'll be uploading my further statistics on what happened after we got this store ready and up to work, to see how many sales we got, to see all the updates after that, to see if that strategy really worked or not. So I'm testing everything with you, and let's see what we get through for that. And make sure to follow, subscribe, and like the video, and see you in the next one.